Welcome to Learn Playwright in 30 days. Today I will talk about end-to-end demo. What will build? A complete e-commerce automation framework that covers login, product search, add to cart, checkout, API validation, screenshot capture, reporting. After complete this lesson, we will be able to design an end-to-end automation framework, apply page object model, use test data files, validate UI and APIs together, generate reports, build maintainable automation frameworks, test workflow, launch application, log in, verify products, search product, add to cart, verify cart, checkout, confirm order, generate report. E2E framework. Under project folder, have another subfolder, page, tests, test data, utilities. Under pages, have the login page, inventory page, cart page, checkout page. Under tests, have the order flow file. Under test data, have a user file. Utility have the API help, screenshot help. Why use object model? Either maintenance, reusable code, better scalability. Why use test data file? Separate data from the code, either updates. Why validate APIs? Faster defect detection. Verify backend independently. Let's look at the application we will build end-to-end test framework. This application first need login, so this is the login page. Add username and passwords. Click login. So login and make sure this is the products. And here is the item to order. So can like the add item. So this is order page, and here is a cart. So click cart, and this is a cart page. So this is item quantity 1, and this is a description about item product, and here is a price, and here is another product. Remove it 1, and then you can continue shopping back and add more of the item. You can check out and add username, password, postcode, and continue, finish, checkout. Let's look at the code parts. So first make the project folder. This is the project folder E2E framework. And install Playwright, so get this module. Then is create a subfolder, pages, and subfolder test data, and utility subfolder utility. And pages have this is for the login page. So first one is, let me show this one, is a login page. So this is a constructor page. On the login page, get username, locate username, and get passwords, and login button. And here is if login fail, get the error message. This is locate, find the error message. So go to this page, and here is I defined in the config file. So this is go to this page. Okay, URL. Then is login. Username, passwords, login. So first is the username. You see here is a field username in the username import, and the field passwords in the password import, and click login button. So this is on a page, login page. Then go to the inventory page. So here is the inventory page. So you see on this page, find the title and make sure this is one of, but I test code just for get first product, first item. So this is the first item, find add button. And here is a car link, so you can make sure car link is changed, and the car badge have something changed. Verify, you see, verify. First go to this page, when inventory page have the products title, and click this one is add car, and open the car. Click car link is open the car. So verify the account. So like after you check out add the car, you can find in click the car link and open another page, and this page have the count, like we have the count one, and this is for inventory. Another is a checkout. You see, this is a checkout page. Go to this page. You need like the first name, fill the first name. This is from the use data. Use, let me see. Oh, this one, use the JSON. You see here the first name and the last name. Then is a postcode. Continue button here, and the finish button here. So complete head, have a complete head, and checkout information. So this is a page web elements find, and here is a function add checkout information. So you can see here first name import field first name, last name import field last name, and field postcode. Then click continue button. Finish order. You see this is the finish button come up, and click finish, checkout finish. Then verify order complete. So expected this complete head. This header access have the text, thank you for your order. So this is for the page. Another is you can see here on the test. This just call this page, and this page method function, and here is just call them, and you see here first one is login page, and go to login, go to and log in username, passwords, and the inventory page, constant inventory page. So you see, go to the inventory page, find the item add, and verify car count, and open the car and verify the car page and verify the item in the car. Checkout. So this is checkout. Then is on the checkout, put first name, last name, and postcode. Then is finish checkout. This is check. Then is check API. Get API call is code is to be 200. So this is a test. Another utility you see here is verify get, like get API call. Make sure it's get the code is 200. Then here is get capture screenshot. You see here is read the screenshot function. So each step just get a screenshot and get a screenshot name. Let me run a test. So I use the debug model so we can see the step by step. So go to the login page, add a username, add passwords, click login. So go to the inventory page. So this page has a title. So make sure the title exists. So products exist. You see here. And then click this first item add to cart. You see, go to the cart badge. So you see here, before add no one. Here I have item 1 here. And then click this link. This is the checkout page. So here is a quantity 1, and this is a description product. Here is a price. You can remove it or continue checkout or go back continue shopping. Okay, make sure this have the content number is 1. If I add 2, is probably is a fail for this assessment. Okay, so click checkout button. Then is a checkout page. This page needs 3 information: first name, last name, and postcode. So here is 1 is the first and first name and last name and postcode. Then check the button. Click the button, continue. So is a continue button. You see here, make sure is finish. So after finish, you have the information. Thank you for your order. So all the tests finish. Thank you for watching. See you next time.